So Roblox Studio has this great option where you can create games with other people. It's actually called Team Create, and by the end of this lesson, you will learn how to add other users to your Roblox Studio account so that you can work on a game together. Let's get started. So you're going to have Roblox Studio open, and in order to enable Team Create, you're going to want to go up to the View tab, and you're going to click on Team Create. Now make sure that your game is published for this to work. If it's not published, you'll see a different option here to publish your game. So you go ahead and publish the game first. We covered that in the earlier lesson. But you go ahead and publish the game first. And once it's published, then you can click on the Turn On for Team Create. And so now it will reload the game. So it's kind of like closing down the game, then reloading it so that you can change the permissions. So now I've got the game reloaded. And let's go ahead and come over to there. And so now over in the Team Create tab, again, it's in View and Team Create. I can turn it on or off. So now I've got the Team Create tab open, and I've enabled it for this game. It says where to find the permissions for Team Create so that you can add other users to the game so they can edit it as well. So in order to add these users, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Home, and you're going to go to Game Settings, and then you're going to click on Permissions. So it's the second one there. And then now this is asking, who would you like to have play this game? Now make sure that you feel comfortable with the person that you are sharing the game with. You want to make sure it's a good collaboration and not something that you would have problems with later. So I've got the game owner, that's me. Right now I've got this still set to private. And so collaborate is what you do is you would just go in here and then search by username. So you need to know the username of the person you want to collaborate with. And then let's just say you wanted to collaborate with another person. So let's say Roblox Learner 4. And so now I entered the name, I clicked on the user, and now I'm just going to click on Save. And so now that I've clicked on Save, there should be, that user should be added to the Team Create. And it might take a little bit, but you can always go back to Home, and then Game Settings, and then Permissions. Now you notice there's another user here that's set to be able to edit this game. Now you might need to be friends with this person as well, so you'd want to change that, add them as a friend, and then that way you would be able to see this icon. Instead of saying play, it would say edit as well, and so then you can have the edit tab, and then when you see that, you can press save. And so in order for them to actually access your game and edit it, what you need to do is go over to roblox.com, and when you're in Roblox, you want to click on Create, and then you see My Creations, and you'll see there's the Roblox demo game that we're working on. So that's the game we're working on. So you see there's a couple of ways to click this. You want to actually go to the second one here, the Start Place, and you want to click on that link, and it will bring you to this page, which you can access the game. And what you'll do is go up to the top of the screen, and you want to copy this link and then send it to the person who you want to collaborate with. So you will copy this link and then send that link to them, and then they would go ahead and sign into their account, put that link into their game, and then they can access it. And then when they come to this screen, there'll be a place where they can edit this game, and it will come up in their Roblox Studio. So you can see they'll click on these three blocks here, and then it says edit. So they would just click there, press edit, and then they could go, it would open in Roblox Studio, and now they can edit the game as well. And you can work on it together and see what you can come up with. So your action item for today is actually to take a break. Go ahead and maybe take a walk, maybe grab something to eat. We've been covering a lot of different things in this course. And of course, if you have someone you'd like to collaborate with, you go ahead and follow the steps in this lesson so you could add them to your game, and then you could work on the game together. So I thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.